To me, Black joy is moving to the rhythm of my ancestors, past, present, and future, unified in motion. Marcus Garvey said, "A people without knowledge of their past is like a tree without roots." My roots run deep in Oakland. My great-grandfather, James Bryant, was a Pullman porter at West Oakland's 16th Street train station. That job was more than a paycheck. It was survival and pride for many black men in America. And my great-grandmother, Florence, Oakland's first ever Mother of the Year, and the Emperor of Ethiopia, Haile Selassie, came here to meet her. Black joy is standing on their foundation. Their struggles became our possibilities. My grandfather, Milo Gaskin, was one of Oakland's first black fire captains. He didn't just fight fires, he started the Black Firefighters Association, training the next generation at Manzanita Rec Center in East Oakland. Black joy is lifting each other up. It's community. It's keeping the door open for those who come next. My mother, an activist and poet. My dad, a carpenter who built the spaces where Oaklanders grew up. Their love, their work, it all led to me. Now I carry their legacy in my own way. A filmmaker whose camera took me all around the world and back. Knowing where I come from and keeping their story alive, that's my greatest joy.